Porch Group, is this pullback over? A familiar structure reappears. Hello, this is top Trader Jinlog. There are critical zones where market attention converges, and where technical signals align to mark a precise point, recognizing that one rhythm, support or resistance, can change your risk, reward and probability. VPAR is a rhythm-based analysis that visualizes those key moments with precision. You can check the charts and reports on our blog. If you'd like more stock breakdowns, just leave a comment or request. VPAR chart explanation. This is Porch Group, PRCH NAS, as requested for analysis. The circled areas in the past and present are potential short-term trend, yellow consolidation and upward trend points. These points have a higher probability and potential return when they are near the swing line, white, or medium-term line, orange, making them high probability, high return entry points. Each chart has its own wave tension and trend. Currently it is in a medium-term monthly wave trend with good tension. After breaking below the short-term trend daily wave, and reaching the swing trend weekly wave near the 8.5 resistance supply level, consider buying by checking if it holds support there, observing the minute chart turning flow, and considering the turning flow if Nasdaq corrects further around 20,850. If it breaks below the current support, consider it a potential rebuying point at the 6.5 medium-term resistance supply level. Investment opinion. Porch Group, PRCH, a high-volatility small-cap stock, is currently in a pullback phase after a major rebound both technically and structurally. This phase matches a previous MACD-wide expansion pattern, and the company has shown signs of financial recovery with a surprising profit turn. 2-week target, plus 12.5% right pointing arrow $10.60. Prob 69% 2-month target, plus 26.8% right pointing arrow $11.95. Prob 62% long-term target, plus 63.2% right pointing arrow $15.40. Prob 55%. Summary: the market cooled off after a rapid surge, but now the rhythm is compressing again, readying for a second wave. This pullback could be the setup before the next structural move. Paperclip key takeaways. Technical pullback after MACD-wide expansion, $8.90 to $9.20 support zone showing repeated holding behavior pattern structure, aligns with previous recovery scenarios. Debt restructuring plus earnings surprise are dual catalysts. VPAR analysis, visual phase alignment rhythm, timeframe visual structure summary. Blue circle monthly breakout followed by pullback. Support forming at $8.20 to $9. Yellow circle weekly first retest of center line after surge. MACD structure still valid. Orange circle daily sideways movement above short-term center line. Compression forming. Red circle 120-minute short-term trend remains positive. MACD showing bottoming signs. Right pointing arrow overall structure. Compression right pointing arrow expansion phase emerging. Right pointing arrow breakout above $9.70 could trigger momentum up to $11.95 plus. Rhythm analysis. Technical indicator rhythm. Hourglass monthly rhythm re-entering support zone with MACD beginning a bullish hook. RSI normalized after overbought phase, $8.20, serves as a long-term price anchor. Downward trend weekly rhythm resistance near $11.90 per support. At $9.20, MACD expanded and cooled. Currently in reset mode. RSI bouncing from lower mid-zone. Stopwatch daily rhythm. MACD narrowing post-surge. Volume declining short-term trend remains intact. Yellow line. $8.90 to $9.20 zone supports rhythm continuation. 1 o'clock 120-minute rhythm. Short-term trend is aligned upward. MACD bottoming with RSI rebounding checkmark pattern match. 4 of the past 5 similar structures saw plus 12.4% gains within 5 to 7 trading days. Financial highlights. Metric value. Pushpin commentary. FY25 Q1 revenue $104.7 million versus EST $79.3 million. Strong beat. Signals revenue rebound. EPS 8 cents versus EST minus 10 cents. Turn profitable. Margin improving. Total debt $409.2 million, still high, but being refinanced. Total assets $802.3 million. Debt to asset ratio remains a concern. Customer growth expanding, boosted by WA performance in Texas. News and risk summary. Pushpin converted 2026 debt into 2030 convertible bonds. Pushpin WA subsidiary achieved top regional insurance performance. Warning: debt burden remains above industry average. Warning: failure to hold structure may lead to reversion to lower range. Strategy scenario plus simulator. Small diamond entry zone $8.90 to $9.20. Right pointing arrow multi-time frame support. Structure match. Prob 71%. Bullseye target zones. First target $10.60. Prob 69%. Second target $11.95. Prob 62% long term $15.40. Prob 55%. Prohibited stop loss or risk plan break below $8.60 would invalidate short-term structure. Right pointing arrow immediate exit if volume confirms breakdown. Upward trend simulator analysis. 7 of 10 historical matches hit the first target. AVG gain plus 13.2% within 5 to 8 sessions. MACD wide re-expansion confirmed on lower timeframes. Outlook. Rhythm builds silently when the noise fades. Porch Group is aligning both technically and financially for a shift. This moment may echo a previous setup, and the next move might already be in motion. Paperclip technical summary. MACD-wide expansion setup reappears. Repeat pattern match success rate greater than 70%. Compression phase resolving near $9.20. Above $9.70 equals breakout confirmation into upper rhythm zone.